Alright, Shock Squad, I know you may have seen earlier a video I uploaded. This is not a duplicate upload, this is genuinely a retake. I can't stress enough how much I want this channel to work, and I can't stress enough how much I want the content to be good. I want to be able to watch it myself. I want to make content that I would love watching. And the problem with the video I uploaded earlier was this complete bullshit. This wireless lavalier microphone. So this is the reason why you guys are seeing this video. For those of you who didn't catch the last video, by the way, I made a video with Jack. It was really cute, but I'll put it unlisted. I'll put a link to it down in the description. It's got Jack in it. It's cool, but it just sounds shit. And these are cheap wireless headsets, and I think these are going in the bin because I've tried setting them up, but there was hissing noise. It's awful. I can't get the gain right, and it's not good. Right now, I'm using this. It's a Zune. Obviously, this is really weird, so I'm not going to do this too much. I'm going to place you back down, but that's what it looks like. So, there we go. As you can see, I've been recording for like 9 minutes because I've just done the intro for my other channel. But so that is what we're going for. I'm trying to, honestly, I just want you guys to know, I want your feedback. I want your constructive criticism. I want to have beautiful videos. I'm not 100% happy with the camera we're using right now. Could be a lot better. I can't afford $15,000 for a red camera. Those are the bee's knees, and all the top tech YouTubers all have absolutely beastly red cameras. I'm using one that's like a few years old. But until we get this channel up and running, it will suffice, you know. For people watching on the mobile phone, it'll suffice. But the more important thing is audio over video. So I wanted to get this right. But I just want to let you know, I'm 100% dedicated to making videos that are awesome, that you're going to enjoy, and that every time you watch one, you're going to go, man, I want to watch another one. That is my goal. Thank you so much for being here. If you've just come from the Ollie43 channel, you're an absolute legend. You are now officially a part of the Shock Squad, and I embrace you here on this channel. This is a good community of tech lovers and all the rest of it. So it's going to be good. Sorry about the awful upload. Some of you may have not even noticed. It just needs to be good. I want to make good videos. So yeah, thank you. Drop a like, Shock Squad. I'll see you in our next video. Drop a comment down below with suggestions of products you want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.